How should I know?
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 She didn't know. How should I know?
Well, I need you to remember.
I was in prison for 5 years. How should I know?
Aren't snakes nature's snakes?
How should I know? I live on the flippin' frozen tundra.
Let me ask you something, Kovacs. If he's innocent, where's the money?
How should I know? I must find her. Where is she?
How should I know where she is?
How many fingers am I holding up behind my back?
How should I know that? What did she do, Angela?
How should I know?
What did she do, Angela?
I don't know.
Oh, Lord, man, no. Look. How should I know where she is?
There's a lady standing in front of our door.
Who is it?
How should I know? 7.
Nate, where's Epperly? We're having a gift bag crisis.
How should I know? She lived with this guy she knew from Oxford.
What?
I've gotten much better at that.
Have you? How am I feeling right now?
How should I know?
I'm not sure if it's a coma. Somewhere between a coma and a nap. How should I know if he's clammy? I left him in the car.
You're not going anywhere, buddy, until we get some answers. Like, why are you so popular with Zoom?
How should I know? I'd never even seen the guy.
So how was your vital assignment?
Which one was that?
How should I know, John?